Hello, let me show you all camera features that you can find on the POCO C75. So let's quickly start from the left side. As you can see here, we can find the time-lapse video. We can 1x, we got 2x zoom. We can also zoom in into 6 times in the time-lapse mode. When you click right here on the left side, we can actually change time-lapse speed and time-lapse duration. As default, we've got unlimited duration. Right here, we can find some parameters like the white balance, automatic focus, shutter speed, ISO, exposure compensation. At the top, we can actually change resolution between Full HD and HD. Right here, we can turn on the flashlight, and here we can find some other settings with auto exposure settings, aspect ratio, and the grid lines. Now, when you go for the video mode, it actually looks almost the same. The resolution is almost the same. The zoom is also the same. But when you click right here, we can actually find some filters. They change color and the temperature. And here we can find another filters, a little bit different one. And by going here, we can find another settings. Then in the photo mode, there's like almost the same, but the only difference is that you can actually zoom into the 10 times instead of the 6. And here you can turn on and off HDR, and also you can use Google Lens. So we can just tap right here, and now we can make searches. When you click here, you can find access into all the settings. So we get also flashlight, aspect ratio, grid lines, camera timer between 3, 5, or even 10 seconds. We got the shutter type, so we can tap to take a photo. We get voice shutter. We can find tilt shift, and we can change it also. We get also timed burst function. So we can pick the number of the photos that we want to capture with the phone and then set interval. Click on the shutter and now it starts taking the photos. Then when we go back and turn it off, we get also camera watermark. We got a regular one with timestamp on the photos with device watermark, but we can also add custom phrase to watermark. And on the video, we can get time and coordinates. And when you go into settings, then take a look, we can scan QR codes, we can get notification about orientation, we can change picture quality, we get selfie mirroring effect, automatic frame rate, video encoder, volume buttons function, we can shot with the screen off, we can get the preserve settings, here we can change the shutter sound, 4 different sounds. We can also turn on off location tags on the photos. There's like shutter speed, anti-bending between automatic 60 Hz, 50 Hz. We can update camera and to restore default settings. When we go into portrait mode, we can change the blur effect. On the night mode, we can zoom in or zoom out, and we get also 50 megapixel mode.